Make a little money.
Make a little money.
Money.
We'll take it. We'll take it. Yesterday after stream, I should have stopped, but your boy over traded.
It happens.
Went on till I blew a couple growth accounts with Tradeify yesterday, funded accounts.
No, man. Trust me. I know how that feels. Woof. But I mean, I was like that yesterday because I'm like, let me tell you, man, Duane, I went negative on my funded.
Yeah.
Boosted. Negative 1,300. I said, oh shit. I was like, hell nah. No. So I just scalped. I scalped my way. I made like 1,000 and I was just done. I was out. I was like, fuck it. I'm out.
Yeah. Good morning, Iz. Good morning, Andre. Good morning, Rob.
Man, it happens, man. But man, like.
Oh, 100%. Listen, I haven't had a tilt in quite a while. And no excuses. No excuses. I'm the one that clicked the buttons. But I told my girl last time, listen, when I'm not feeling 100%, my patience and my tolerance is not there. so I'm just blaming me being overcoming the sickness. I'm blaming that. But so the rest of this week, I'm gonna just be getting some of these evals passed and funded, so I can shoot for a 10K payout next Friday, a 10 to 20K payout next Friday. So that's my plan for the rest of this week. I got some more Lucid accounts as well. I'm gonna be working on getting them all funded this week, so next Friday I could take a nice little payout on 10 accounts. We're gonna keep it moving. Keep it moving. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Hopefully you guys are excited for today. I'm excited to be here with y'all. I am feeling a little bit better each day that ticks by. I'm feeling a little bit better, so I'm thankful for that. And we're just gonna get focused. We're gonna definitely thankful I'm alive. Yeah, I'm just excited to make some money with y'all today. Right now, let's see what we got going on here. We got the overnight high, 902.25. 21 EMA sitting at 853.75. We got pivot right here above us, sitting right at 838 even. VWAP, the big VWAP, 833.75. 833.75. Then we got the close from yesterday, 786.25. 786.25 for the close from yesterday. We got no news coming out today. I'm gonna just be sitting back trying to hit some base hits on like 8 accounts today. So we're gonna be rotating fast today, so that way I can put money in all these accounts, because I'm shooting for 20 grand next week. That's my goal right now, 20 grand. And I gotta make it a big goal, just so that way like it gets me like motivated and excited. So that's my plan for next week. I'm shooting for 20 grand. We're gonna see if we get it. Well, no, we're going to get it. We're going to get it.
Gonna get it good.
And that's a 2K payout across 10 accounts. Because when you do the math, it's like, oh, that's very achievable. I could do that. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to do it. Good morning, Carmona.
Yes. Good morning. Ready? I'm ready.
Morning, brother. I think we're all ready today. I know I'm definitely ready, because last night I was just laying in my bed, just like, Duane, why do you do that dumbness? Why you go on tilt for no reason? I don't know. You know, have you ever had one of those talks with yourself where you're answering yourself too? That was me last night after the stream. What's up, Jason? Brett, don't laugh at me, Brett. My Canadian brother's laughing at me right now. He's like, this guy talking to himself again. Ty, I did lose yesterday, bro. Yesterday was a red day for me in multiple funded accounts. Which I blew yesterday. Your boy went on till after the stream. And it sometimes happens that way. But Brenda helped woo-saw me and bring me back to reality. It's like, hey, you took like $7,500 in payouts. There's nothing to be mad about. $7,500 in payouts in a month is solid. I'm like, you know what? You right. So, rest of this week, I'm setting up payouts for next week. That's it. I'm going to pass these evals. And we're just going to get dialed in for next week. That's it. Because next week will be a busy, busy week. Because I literally need to put in $4,000 per account to take the 2K payout from each one. Hey, take your time, bro. They'll always be there. We got less than 4 minutes for market open here. And we're going to see what we get. I may take a trade before 9:45 a day, since these are not funded accounts. We'll see what the momentum's doing. And either tonight or tomorrow night, we'll be giving away a new standing desk when we cross 2K subs. When we cross 2K subs, I'm giving away another Mac Daddy standing desk. Go ahead, look it up. You probably won't find it because that's not the name of the actual desk. Possibly, yeah, bro. I blew some funded accounts yesterday. They were growth accounts. So I was frustrated, but not frustrated as much because I've been wanting to transition over to only select accounts with a trade of 5. So yesterday gave me the opportunity now to transition over to just select accounts. I never trade before 9:30, bro, but I normally wait till 9:45 to execute my trades. Funded accounts, you can have 5, Brett.
Good morning.
But you can have as many evals as you want. Good morning, Mooser. Good morning, sir.
Mooser.
Yeah, Mooser. Mooser.
Dropping, and I wanted it to wait to drop. It's an open.
Oh, well.
Well, this could be a precursor of what we're going to get on today's market.
I just saw 1, 2, 3 retracements. This is so sad.
We got less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes till the bell rings. I'm gonna be running around with my hair on fire, which isn't much, so it won't be too on fire.
Yeah, Moose is keeping you safe.
He's trying to. He's trying to.
1 minute.
1 more minute, boys. We got the close 78625, 78625, and we're already starting to drop here. Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, Nellies. And watching it drop like this is it makes me want to jump in, but I'm not going to. The devil's a liar. He ain't getting me a FOMO in a minute before, less than a minute before market open. No, no, no. We have a
good group here on the Legacy family, man.
What was that?
We got a good group online right now for the Legacy family. Like, more people are gonna join, but it's just like you got Big G, and you got Moose, you got Cremona, you got friend of Big G.
The friend of Big G. All right, markets officially open. And now we wait. And yes, we got the best community globally because everyone's solid. We don't have fugazi people in the community. It's only people that are truly trying to win in life. And it's way easier to win with people that are trying to win themselves than trying to pull people along in life.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I've been doing ride your waves, keep your mind off the chart, I'll tell you. I've been doing like just weight, like free lifting, and I upped my weights more than I've ever done in certain exercises in my whole life.
That's awesome. Good job, Steve.
I'm only 21, so I'm getting stronger every day, but maybe my son is 22. But...
Good morning, Rhonda.
But that is like the same. It's like the discipline, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm hoping I could get into the gym later this week. I've just been trying to recover from this slight illness.
Yeah, you want to do that.
Because I'm not trying to just overexert the body and then just mess myself up even more.
Yeah, no, don't do that.
Good evening, Ule. Good evening, sir. So we just went through the close from yesterday.
Like it wasn't there. That.
Yep, coming down to the overnight low as well. We're swiping everything right now. I would like to see a flag.
Well, Duane doesn't really care because you're not trading before.
I may trade it before today. Friend of Big G. Friend of Big G, I may.
Big G has his own hype man on here.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Betsy. So we swiped the overnight low. We already went through the close from yesterday. I would want to see us build a flag right here to take us lower.
That's what it's doing right now, brother.
The way we listen, if BP was here, he'd be like, oh, we just swiped a lot of liquidity. You know what I'm saying? We're on stairs right now in the Rincos. Gee, look at that. Man, today's range is going to be a big range, I'll tell you that.
Home on the range. You're at home on the range.
I'm trading evals today, folks, just so y'all know. We're building a flag right here.
Most of the time we do it off the record bit, you feel like it's gonna keep going down.
I would want to say yes, as long as we print a bear flag. Definitely want to see that bear flag get printed, just for like that extra confirmation.
We love that. Are you kidding me?
We keep making new lows.
That's the lowest thing you've ever said.
Now that it went down too far, I don't want to jump in. I'm very hesitant.
I feel you on that.
But it would have been a good day if I would have just tightened up and done it. Oh, Dwayne's in one.
I am in one.
The one that was that silent of death.
I'm only trading evals today, moves.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, like yeah. Long story. Actually, it's not a long story. Your boy went on tilt yesterday.
Wait. Ouch. What did you
I blew some of my growth accounts yesterday.
Oh man. You know, those are good because you can't get those back.
Huh?
I mean, unless you refresh them, but you can't get them back. Like, it's not an option to get them again.
What? Yeah, you can. The growth accounts?
Yeah, the growth, right? They're not like, you know how you have to select? Oh yeah, the growth. They are.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. You're right.
I took 2 stabs at this before market open. Oh, well, not before. Before the 9:45. I'm done trading before 9:45. Before getting cut. Look at this pump right now. Straight craziness. Oh.
Dwayne wants to see a flag.
Yeah, definitely want to see a flag.
Wow, we're only 9 minutes in. Holy whoa. You know, you kind of look down and you're like, it's like, you figure it's like 9:44. Yeah, it's not even 10 minutes in.
The joys of trading. It feels like you're in for a long time, but you're actually not.
My favorite is like when you're in a trade and it's like one of those movies where it's like the Matrix, where like everything slows down.
Well, we did just go back to the VWAP, back to the 21 EMA. Now I feel like we're going to start pushing. There we go. Right through that pivot like it wasn't there. So let's wait for this to settle. I'm waiting for all this nonsense to settle. Oh, what's going on here? There we go. Right now, the Bulls are just absolutely pushing right now. We got 4 minutes, a little bit under 4 minutes now to see. Yeah, so the low of this range, I'm assuming, well, we could set for 694.50. 694.50 will be the low this morning's 15-minute range.
I like how you're like, I'm assuming, like,
like,
I think this side is just like, watch this. You're like,
unless something dramatic happens,
yeah,
I don't see us popping back down within the next 3 minutes here.
But I'm going to take a bet here and say that if it pops back down that much, you're going to jump in and do a nice scalp. Because that'd be pretty impressive that it covered that much ground that quick. It'd be too hard to ignore.
Oh, 100%. But that'd be a crazy drop.
Yeah.
That'd be a crazy drop.
That'd be like free fall.
Yesterday, I ate some food early in the day, like an early lunch. And I was so full from it, I did not eat for the rest of the day. Your boy, and that was honestly the first meal I've actually eaten since, like, Mexico or before Mexico. Because when I was in Mexico, I was barely eating.
Are you, like, turning into, like, a supernatural being, dude?
No, it's not that. I was sick. I didn't know. I was telling my girl, man, it's weird. I don't have an appetite this time we're out here. Little did I know I was actually like had bronchitis. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Oh wait, you know I gotta send you the last thing I cooked.
I feel like we're gonna swipe the overnight high here at the 902.25. I feel like that's up for grabs right now. Less than a minute for 9:45. Less than a minute for 9:45 here. Wait until 9:46. Feel like we're getting ready to swipe that overnight high though. We're taking everything out within the first 15 minutes today. So we're going to have to see where we're actually going today. Because we took out the overnight low. Now we're getting ready to take out that overnight high.
Yeah, I sent it to you, by the way, on your text.
Okay, awesome.
Give you something to think about it, and then jumping in a minute early.
A minute early. Steve, you're definitely the grill master, sir. You're definitely a grill. And there's the overnight high taking out. Craziness today, boys. Straight craziness. Alrighty. Don't know how I feel right now that we took out the overnight low, the overnight high, pushed through pivots like they weren't there. Alrighty, less than, we got about 30 more seconds for this range to be fully completed. And it looks like the high for this range will be 924.50, 924.50. We got a massive range today. Just a massive range. Let's see if this range is going to hold 924.50. Bulls are trying to push slightly. All right, the range. All right, well, actually, technically, we're breaking out of the range right now because it's 946 now. All right, we're back in the range. All righty.
That's a fake out breakout.
Yep. And does that 90% of the time.
I'm pretty much done trading today. I put about 603 of my select evals, and I'm gonna leave it like that.
Awesome, Jose. Good job, bro. We're currently above the 15-minute range right now. Back in it. Let's see what we get.
Don't catch the first orb you see.
We just cleared that previous candle wick. Are we going to retest this 15-minute range again? We got some selling pressure up here, but these bulls are trying to push. I did not get tagged in where I want to get tagged in at, but okay. Which account was this one? 19. Okay. Let's rotate to that one now. Alrighty, my first target is all the way up there at yesterday's high, 25,039.50. Well, that's actually, I don't think that's yesterday's high. Did I mark this wrong? We got a pivot point above us as well that we had to get through. 25,008, 25,008. I would like to see another flaggy flag. That's just me personally. Don't know about y'all, but I need some flags with some good momentum today.
That'll be the cure for everything.
It would definitely help us. It would definitely help us.
I'd like to see like an A++ setup.
Yeah, good morning, guys.
Good morning, Mitch.
How's everybody doing?
Another day in paradise, fam. How about yourself?
Pretty good, pretty good. Doing well. Just trading from my bed, so I'm pretty comfy.
Yeah, I figure you may not be sitting outside today.
Yeah, that'd be it. Unless you got one of those like propane like deck things like you put on and it like the restaurants have, then it's all right.
That'd be dope. Yeah, I haven't even gotten out of my room yet.
All right, there we go. Retesting the high of that 15-minute range right there. Ooh, Nellies. Are we getting ready to build us a nice bull flag? Oh, 100% undercover. 100%. Tonight, we got the traders hanging out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're talking trading. We're talking life and everything in between. Make sure you guys come vibe up with us. It's always a good old time. Either tonight or tomorrow, we're going to hit 2K subs, and we're giving away a new standing desk. The same desk that I'm trading from right now, we're giving a brand new one away. So make sure you're on the streams for that, because you may be able to win, because everyone on that stream gets entered into the wheel. And we spin the wheel for one lucky winner.
Wheel of Fortune?
Pretty much. Pretty
The
much.
wheel of jacks. You can either win a standing desk or an oak desk. You never know.
Yeah, bro.
Might have a 5-minute retracement. So they probably shoot up with the ball.
Hey, we'll see. We got that buying wick slightly. I'm looking to see if we get a bull flag up here to take us higher. Come on, market. Give us something good. Feel like this is giving us a bull flag. Want to see how this plays out for us.
Okay, if I put my finger on the trigger just in case.
Just in case, yeah, but we need some momentum up here.
I know. I'm not doing nothing until I got that momentum.
Flag on the 2 and the 5, right?
That's what I'm looking. I'm looking at the 2 minute right now.
Yeah.
Let me drop down to the 1.
The 1 looks good too.
Just being patient, waiting for the momentum here.
Yeah,
No momentum, no trade. And there you go, no momentum there.
It's gonna come down to one of my EMAs, 886.
We just came down to the overnight high right there. Just waiting, just waiting. If the bears protect this high of this 15-minute range here, we may start heading down, but want to see if the bulls could push through it. What's up, life?
5-minute candle about to close.
Good call on Steve. Good call on sir. Yeah, the Bears protecting this high of this 15 right now. That would have been the open, Izzy. That would have been the open for like one of the overnights, I believe. And like I said, if the Bulls did not push through that high of that 15, the Bears were protecting it.
Got a quick little sell, 571.
Nice.
I think it's gonna hit my 5-minute EMA 871 right now. Oh shit.
I'll be looking for the 21 EMA that's sitting at 86175. 86175 is the 21 EMA. That'd be my first target for a short. But your boy would like to see a bear flag.
He'd like to see a flag.
I would like to see a bear flag.
Yo, Steve, is that you, friend of Big G?
What of it? Yeah.
I did not get filled on that trade, so I closed out. Because normally when I don't get filled and I let it wait and get hit, it automatically goes in the opposite direction.
Oh,
So,
every time. It's just like every time.
We did tap that 21 EMA that I was looking at. So if I want to take a short, I would want to get below that 21 EMA now for the short. We want to get below that 21 EMA with momentum for a short. Here comes the 21 tab. There's the 21 EMA tab. I want to see if it acts as support here. was that on the Rincos? I do not like that.
The squiggle wiggle.
That was more than a squiggle wiggle. I'm getting ready to probably kill this one because that was a weird little added volume out of nowhere.
Oh man.
Yeah, that was an eval. Just got wiped out on that eval right there. That was crazy.
260. I'm up 830 right now. All right, I'm
What time
done.
is it? What
I'm
time
switching.
Is it? 8:30.
Oh, Steve.
I'm done. That's it.
I'm switching over my Lucid. That was horrible. Way better copy. That's why I do both, Brett. That's why I do both. So I can catch people where they're at. Let me actually see which accounts, because I got a couple Lucid accounts.
I saw it dropping, like the instant drop, and when I went to place it, it took too long to place me, but I still made 260. Would have been a little more if it would have.
Hey, profit's profit, bro. Profit's profit.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's see. I need to do that one today.
Do you like my new profile picture?
I do, Johan. That's how I feel right now with this market. That's how I feel with this market right now, fam.
Yeah.
We're below the 21 EMA currently, above the VWAP, above this pivot point. Let's see if we maybe get a flag somewhere here. But right now, I just feel like it's a whole lot of manipulation today. And we're chopping a little bit. There's the VWAP tab. How much do I need on this account, actually? Okay, cool. Let's send $1,000 on this account. This will be a funded account.
The market's kind of iffy today, huh?
Yeah, the market's chopping.
Yeah.
Like on the Rincos, when I was just in that last trade, it did this weird volume on the Rincos out of nowhere. And that already let me know this ain't going to end well for me.
Yeah, I talked to my mom yesterday and she said it's because of Trump, of the tariffs that got denied. I don't know, anyway. But yeah, the Trump tariffs got denied by the court.
Yeah.
So,
Well, they rejected it. They said the way he put the tariffs on, he's not legally allowed to do.
exactly.
But he has a workaround around that. So the tariffs, yeah.
Oh yeah. I
Like,
mean,
there's-
the Democrats are gonna do what the Democrats are gonna do, like, and bring these suits. But he's got like 2 or 3 alternate plans.
Yeah, he said he would put tariffs to 15% instead of 10% now.
Yeah. I mean, the main thing is like, it's unbalanced. Like, you know, it was like, it's kind of like somebody eating a bunch of junk food. It's like, so I mean, it hurts a little bit in the short term to balance it, but America should have some manufacturing too. You know what I mean? That's the moral of the story.
Yeah, but the markets are reacting to that.
Tim, I know, right? They rejected the 10% tariffs just to go to 15. What sense does that make, right? Hey.
Well,
You just got to keep the fifth columnists out from trying to destroy the building just to ruin Trump's record and just like have a couple of good years.
Trump is beginning to have dementia.
Nah, not yet, not yet. He has amnesia to the dumb stuff
Yeah,
people
yeah.
be doing, but
See, that's what Democrats say. Why they had like Biden was in memory care through the whole damn presidency, and I worked in memory care as in a medical capacity, and that's dementia. That is true dementia.
What, Trump? You say?
No, Biden.
Oh yeah, Biden, of course. Yeah.
I just want a flag right now with some follow through. To be
It's
honest
not
with
my
everybody
politics.
here, like honestly, I don't care about what's going on politically right now. I'm just trying to make some money in the markets.
I don't care
And
about politically. I'm just saying that it's just like if you're investing and stuff like that, and you're not like on welfare, you should be looking for the strength of the country. That's
no,
all I'm saying.
100%. I want America to be great, and
Yeah.
every person in their state should want their country to be great at the end of the day.
And the story, and cutting the fraud of like these people setting up fraudulent things and just like living on the I mean it's not helping people, it's like becoming scam systems.
And if we could stop sending money to certain countries, started with an I, ending with an L, scheming.
No, thank you, baby. Look at that pump right there. Yo, this is straight manipulation today. Straight
Another
manipulation.
range.
Straight craziness.
It went up. The
What's
market
up, Carl? Good morning, sir.
But the price is not moving much, like in the higher time frames. It's not moving a lot. So it's in a tight range right now.
Yeah, it's in this range. It is. I want to get out the range.
It's decided if it can go up more or if it's gonna crash. Like,
Well, right now we got the selling pressure on these candles. So we're showing selling pressure. I'm just not trusting it. I'm simply not trusting it. I need clean, clear momentum. Not
It's the calm-
momentum up, then chop back down. That's not clean and clear.
it's the calm before the storm.
Well, let's get to the storm part because this ain't calm, Johan. This ain't calm. Now there's the selling pressure. Jesus. People getting chopped up, going up and down today. Straight dirty, 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 dirty. Come on, Betsy. We're sitting right here above this 21 EMA. I'm not liking this price action today. We got a minute 18 left on the 5-minute candle. I'm gonna wait to see how this next candle prints. Because I'm the first one to tell you I suck at trading chop.
I don't think anybody's good at trading chop. That's called gambling.
Yeah, well, I just like saying I'm the first one to say it. I suck at trading chop. You know what I'm saying? Like full transparency.
No, I just think that that's kind of like, yeah, you could go and get lucky at the roulette wheel, but you can't say that you have a system that's going to win every time. You know what I mean?
Oh, definitely not. You're literally, it's a 50-50. It's either you're going to win or you're going to lose. Trading the chop.
I'd rather have a system. You know what I mean?
20 seconds. 20 seconds left for the new 5-minute candle here.
When is the next like real news event?
The 26th. Was 8:30 news, I believe. So we're done with news after the 26th for the month. So we got 26 on the 26th. Got some news coming out, and that's it.
Yeah, initial jobless claims at 8:30. Yeah, on Thursday. Do I have an accent?
A little one, but nothing crazy.
Yeah, good.
Come on, Bessie. Come on.
Wait, there's a new Fed chairman? Because it says Fed Bauman speech.
Yeah.
Who's Bauman?
Yeah.
No clue.
Me neither. Wait. Mitchell Bauman. Member of the Federal Reserve Board of Governors since 2018.
He probably just Powell's on his way out.
Yeah.
They probably just like having some underling do it. And because his ends on May 15th.
Powell?
Powell.
It's,
Yeah, Powell.
May 15th.
May 15th, but it says he can remain on as a governor of the board until January 31st, 2028, if not reappointed as chair. But I think he's just playing politics in his own way.
Yeah, he doesn't want politics to interfere in the process of policies.
No, it's kind of like a non-denominational church is still a denomination. He has his own politics.
Imagine if presidents can decide the interest rates. That would be like hell.
That'd be crazy.
Yeah. They would put it way too low, and then inflation would skyrocket, and then.
Well, if anything, I wish we would get away from the whole Federal Reserve thing, but that's like locked in.
Yeah, the monetary side should be separated from the politics side, I think.
Straight craziness today. I may call me taking trades.
This is a long, no? Because it went up. That's the retest of the move up. So I'm not sure. Maybe it's a buy. No.
I'm getting completely chopped in these evals today. Completely chopped.
I'm not even looking at you because you're bad luck right now.
Hey, listen. It is what it is.
I'm teasing. I just like the chop is like, I'm good. I'll get on. I'll do some stuff overnight. I put some money in my accounts overnight. I don't feel pressed if it's not here.
Well, looking at this, take it with a grain of salt. At this point,
just
take
buy
it
low,
with the
sell high. Buy low, sell high. So that now it's low, so just buy. And then when it's high, just sell. If you want to trade the chop. That's not your strategy, so I don't know.
It's not. It is not my strategy.
I see a big L. I'm pretty impressed.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm trying here, Steve. I'm trying today.
Can you draw a picture of those things? That's what I'm curious about.
Yeah, draw Mickey Mouse.
That'd be interesting.
To entertain us. Are you gonna draw some money tonight also?
Am I gonna draw some money tonight? No, not drawing anything tonight.
Could you leave draw like a? You could draw a picture online.
No, but drawing like
that most likely be tomorrow night, Johan, for the desk.
okay.
When we hit 2K subs, we're gonna be spinning the wheel.
Yeah. You're at what? 1900?
No, yeah, it's like 19 something. Bray, it really do be your own people, bro.
Look at these wrinkle bars. It's like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Yeah, you're at 1940.
Yeah, so either tonight or tomorrow we'll hit the 2K.
Get 60 of your friends, and then boom.
I was there on 1K.
Yep. You were there, Brett was there, Carmona was there. Come on, Betsy, do something. Because I made my little L, you know what I'm saying, on the 2-minute chart. And ever since I put the line there, it doesn't want to go through it.
Take it off.
Yeah, you're holding price.
My bad, folks, my bad.
You're single-handedly holding price upwards.
I'm not trying to. That's the issue. I'm honestly not trying to.
Yeah, I don't think we have any power in these markets.
I did not get filled, which is annoying. I'm trying to close it. There we go.
The latency has been insane.
Yeah, it hasn't been as good as I would like it to be.
But it ran right back to the L anyway.
Yeah.
You gotta do like the micro scalp. Take it, go.
Time. Stop trading, bro. Stop trading. Trade at eval, fam. Don't risk your funded in these choppy markets. It ain't worth it, fam. It ain't worth it. Trust me. And now look, yo, this is straight crazy.
Yeah, buy low, sell high. No.
Yeah, but we're not getting correct structure today. I have the orb pulled up. I do look for those breakouts, but that's not the main thing I'm looking for.
The bit rate on the Zoom call is really low, by the way.
Yeah.
I can't see the numbers or anything.
It's about the same res here. I don't know if it's like kicking off in another server, but
I'll send a picture in chat.
Heading up to the high of this 15-minute range right here.
15 minutes.
This is gambling right now, bro. Like, breaking out of the 15-minute range right there. This thing is absolutely just chopping people today to pieces. Doesn't matter if you go long or short. It's chopping.
Yeah,
Let's see if we retest the high of this 15-minute range. I would like to come. There we go. Back into the high of the 15 right now. Now let's see if we get a push. Or are the sellers going to step in and flip this candle? Who knows at this point? Who knows?
You're in the back?
I did take a quick little scalp buy right there.
Looks like there's momentum coming in, no?
It looked like there was, but as soon as you said there's momentum coming in, Johan.
My fault.
No, I'll kill this one early if we don't get the push here.
But if you see the open, it was a huge shot upwards, so maybe he wants to continue that move, no?
I made like 1,600 on that.
At least someone made something.
But I was in the negative, so I'm back. I'm back good now, so that's all that matters.
Got some consolidating on the Rincos.
Once I saw that equal low, I knew it was gonna bounce. That's why I jumped in. But I was scared though for like the first 2 minutes. And once I saw that bounce, oh man.
Yeah, like I said, buy low, sell high. The push down, that red candle was the only red candle there was.
Let's see if we push here.
Yep, we're pushing.
That's another bull flag for me. It's about to go back up again. On the 2 minute, on the 5 minute, it's just a big green candle. Go, Duane. It's gonna go up. It's gonna shoot up.
Yeah, but I may just close this lock in profits.
It's going to shoot up.
Yeah,
Even if it does.
Just I said just take it in. Take it.
Just put it at break even. Oh no, it's too low. Too high.
It's about to break. It looks like you want to go up. It's about to break.
Yeah.
I closed that. I didn't like that little dance right there. I didn't like that dance. I did not like that dance.
A 5 minute candle is about to close.
Let's rotate.
Yeah, I put a screenshot of what I see in the Zoom chat.
Okay. I'll check out here in a second. We need like that strong push. Because I do not want to be in when it's building the structure of the flag. That's why I closed out. I don't want to sit in the drawdown of the structure of the flag. Johan, bad luck. Brett, don't say that. Don't say that.
What do you mean, bad luck?
Brett would say Johan's bad luck.
Not sure about that. Oh! Oh! Shut up! Oh yeah. Let's go.
We'll close that one.
Good profits. Good job, man.
I just didn't want to sit in the drawdown. That's what I did not want to do.
Look, now Duane wants to see a flag. I think that's a reasonable thing.
I think that is reasonable. You are correct. Good job, Is. We got a pivot point up here. Where's that sit at? 25,008. 25,008 for the pivot. Let's see if we now get a flag. Maybe the market will start to settle down a little bit coming up on 10:30. I would like to see a flag to give me the warm and fuzzies.
You can maybe reduce your size after like 10:30, no? To be careful.
No. I keep it the same unless the market's like real volatile.
Do like 6 contracts and slow down.
6 contracts and slow down. That's awesome.
Are you positive on the day?
On my Lucid accounts, yes. On my Tradify accounts, no.
Yeah. I think it's about equal, no? Oh no, you lost 1,000 and then you made 1,600.
I'll still count today as a red day. Because I did not like my trade performance. There's the pivot touch. So our first target is 25,000, 39.50. 39.50 is our first target from the 15-minute range here. We're close to this whole number as well. Keep that in mind, folks. That big 25,000 number.
Yeah, it's like that's a double whole number. Ivern Silk's voice. What's going on with him? Is he out of bed or he made all his money?
Is he still in here?
Yeah, I'm still here, guys. I'm just chilling.
Oh, he sounds like he's sleeping.
Yeah. I think he went back to bed.
I'm just very, very relaxed while I'm just watching these candles move.
They're hypnotic in a way.
Honestly, should have taken some longs there if I just kind of just stare at the screen.
Well, I think everybody's been there where you're just kind of watching it and then it's just like, oh gosh, it's like you gotta walk away for a minute and then like look at it again and get re-energized.
Here's the thing, I have my trading view. I got like my take profit and my stop loss all set up and ready to click buy. And I just keep moving it up as I keep seeing it go up, and I'm like actively in it. I'm just like, bro. It's like this big push up. I don't know if we'll do it, but it'd be a massive retracement if it chops down or just does this thing goes straight down. I don't know, but.
Well, I want us to hold this pivot point, the 25,008. If we could hold that, we'll probably keep going up here. But if we lose that pivot, all bets are off. I just want a flag right now.
The flaggy flag.
The flaggy flag. All right, they're losing that pivot. There's the 25,000. Trust, we're living, bro. So that's always a positive day.
As long as we wake up above ground, we're good.
Yep. Looking like a bull flag on the 2 minute right now. Looking like a bull flag trying to form on the 2 minute.
I see that.
It's been chopping today, bro. It's been chopping today, so just be careful if you're taking trades. Get ready to clear that previous candle wick.
Come on, Bessie.
We're like right there at that previous candle wick.
I see that.
All right, just cleared it. Like, I want to go long, but I'm not trusting this market today.
Yeah, because it could just reverse and.
Yeah, buying the high, that's the risk.
Well, we got this selling pressure up here on both of these candles. We got these crazy wicks on top showing selling pressure. From your lips to God's ears, Tim.
Amen. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Back down to this pivot. Lots of selling pressure. Lots of selling pressure. There's the 25,000 tap again. Back to the pivot.
What's your gut saying, doctor?
Not listening to the gut right now. Not listening to the gut. Doesn't have an up or down right now.
I know, that's why I ask you the hard questions. I'm not going to ask you it when it's like presenting an A++. Just what's your feel, sucker?
If we stay above this pivot, I'll be looking for long. But we got to get away from this pivot.
I agree on all counts.
but we also have selling pressure up here. So that's why I'm not as eager for a long, because there is selling pressure up here. And you don't want to buy into a selling wick. That's bad for business.
No, absolutely.
$25,000 again right there.
It's also got that that whole number with and that's the whole number too. That's interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, we're trying to reject off that 25,000. Straight to that pivot point.
Wait, you're in the long right now?
No, I'm in a short. It popped it back up to that pivot. I was waiting to see if we would reject off that pivot. That's why I didn't close right away. That was an aggressive rejection on the pivot right there. I want to see it stay below 25,000 now.
It's still in the flag formation, no?
Trying to go right back to that pivot. There's a pivot touch once again. Yeah, this thing's playing right now. It's playing.
It's just noodling and canoodling.
Noodling and canoodling. That's a new one. Yeah, the market's noodling, canoodling today, boys. Be careful.
that's good.
Got some more noodling canoodling right now.
I might take a nap. Just wake me when it does more than 3-point move.
I'll try. This is painful right now.
Like, even when I trade, like, setting up trades, like, at, early evening, I'm getting more movement than this.
Which is crazy to say that because the overnight sessions move so much slower.
Well, that's the irony of the situation, Jack.
Steve, was that you just talking before?
Yep.
Yeah, that was him.
You switched your name to Friend of Big G?
Yep.
I just peeped that right now. I was like,
You'll notice Steve always has a different name.
Well, listen, man, G needs a hype man. He just doesn't know it yet. And he just comes on in a thing and he's like 4,200. Yeah, word. You know what I mean? So just that's why I'm here.
Yo, G, you still with us?
He's here, but he's in a trade right now. I mean, I'm making some more money.
He must have entered way down here at like the 854 zone.
Pivot point touch like once again.
I feel a bit like you, where I'm like looking at the candles. It's like almost like hypnotizing me. Like it could be, you could shoot it like eight ways in a different direction. I'd be like, huh?
Like, all right, we're above that pivot. I'm closing.
Yeah, I want to hear a funny story.
Of course. Entertain us, Mitch. Entertain us.
So the end of the week, my grandmother brought in the exterminator guy for those cockroaches that we had an issue with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was kept finding near like the sink and dishwasher area. Anyways, so he came, exterminated them. So, well, from what I was told, he did. But he told my grandmother, because I wasn't here at the time. I was out and about. She told me that he said that if we find any others, not to kill them, to put them in a container or something, so then he can come back and examine them just to find out exactly what like type they are or something.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, oh, interesting. So every night I've been sitting there watching TV, it's kind of like out in the family room area, and that's normally where I see one that I'm yet to catch, but it's out there somewhere. So I've just been waiting for him to
show his face.
Last night, finally, I'm watching Night Agent. If you haven't seen that TV show, highly recommend. Binge watched all the last 2 seasons of it.
Nice.
And,
I haven't watched the 3rd season, but
dude, it was pretty good.
The first 2 I watched.
But as I'm sitting there, I see it come from the left side of the room. I was like, ain't no way. So I quickly get up, but also as gently as possible so that I don't scare him and he takes off and disappears,
Yeah.
I grab a container and I like Super Saiyan just like jump on this dude. And put the little plastic container over him. And he's like running on it like an oval racetrack. He's running on the walls and circles going everywhere. I was like, oh dang, this thing's wild. So I grabbed this little thing off the coffee table. It's like this coaster container. It's made of stone. I set it right on top of the container, and I go back to watching Night Agent. And Joey forgot that it was there until I stood up after finishing the show, and I was like, oh yeah, he's still here.
He's watching Night Agent too.
So I was like, how am I going to get this, cockroach to stay in the container and put a lid on it? I was like, oh no. So I'm like, well, they like water. Let me grab a paper towel. So I grab 4, plies of paper towel, and I get them wet, but not soaking wet. And I slowly lift up the container because he's on the wall, and I just slide him over the top, of the paper towels, and he comes down, and I'm like, hey, let me distract him with paper towels. And I look closely, and he's like munching on the water that's on it. I was like, bro, these things are kind of low-key fascinating, but also disgusting looking. And so from there, I'm like, hey, now how am I going to get this top on here so I can like trap him in there permanently, you know? Because I'm not trying to like leave him out there and then my grandmother come out there in the morning and it's like, oh, Mitchell forgot something. Pick it up and he just runs off, you know? Because that would spook her.
Okay, that's a good jump scare.
Yeah, so with that, I was like, hey, let me just wrap the paper towel around the container, cut a hole so I can see where he's at, put the top on it, and then rip off the additional, paper towel that's sticking out. And that's how I did it. I got the top on there, put everything up, and so now he's sitting on my dresser upside down, and I got my lotion bottle on top of it because I don't know, just in case he may get out of that plastic container. I don't know.
He gets like Hulk Strike all of a sudden. It's like.
Right? So yeah, I have a pet cockroach. As weird as that sounds, waiting for the exterminator guy to come sometime this week or next week and take a look.
In Florida, there's like the outside ones are like palmetto bugs, and they'll like kind of come in like if it rains a lot or if it's cold, but they don't like take up residence in your house. Those are like the local ones. They're the bigger size.
Yeah.
And on the smaller ones, which are like called the Spanish one, those are the two main ones. And the Spanish ones are the ones that are like where they have to really get into the house and keep treating because they will like they'll live their life in your house. Like the other ones will like pop in, scare the hell out of you, but they generally won't infest like a clean house. You know, like most people. But the other ones will like eat like the like the glue like in furniture and stuff. Like they don't need that. They don't need to have like
Food.
yeah. You know, like the other ones, like if it's like a a bunch of people living together and they don't have like um they don't have like their trash properly secured, they might infest there, but like it won't ever happen in like a normal house. But the small ones, those things suck.
Today definitely sucks.
And,
So
I mean, you can have a
It's
clean
just chopping
kitchen,
today.
You can have a clean kitchen, all that stuff, and if it's like the other ones will like eat the glue and the wallpaper and stuff.
Yeah, these ones that we've been having are massive.
Oh
And
yeah, that's a palmetto bug. That's a
yeah,
good thing.
and
I mean,
like it's like the size of I don't know. If I look at my pointer finger, like my middle knuckle to like the tip of my finger.
yeah, that's definitely
Yeah, that's a palmetto.
So like it got cold and they start coming inside, and then like at our house when they do the treatment, they just shoot the door jams like and underneath like and so like when they do come in, they're usually on their way out. Like you just kind of see them because they'll squeeze in to get out of the cold, but they
Have a good one, bro. Yeah, I'm done trading as well today. I'm just chilling, listening to the stories at this point because it's chopping.
Yeah,
it's definitely chopping.
I don't know if they can't find their way out or something because low key they've been in here since like November. When I came for Thanksgiving, I killed like 2 of them. I've killed like 7 more since then in the time of me being here since December.
Well, yeah, I mean it's probably just because I mean if they get in, but they generally won't. If there's like not a food source for them, they're not gonna try to like make their home there as much as the other ones. So
yeah,
like that other stuff, it's we had like some people move in down the block and they had like their trash everywhere, and then that house was like infested. And they have like weekly visits from the from the like, people trying to like gas the house and all that. Like,
That's crazy.
They're no bueno.
Here, actually, let me turn on my camera. I want to show you guys this thing.
I got to see this. It's better than market any day of the week. Right now, anyway.
Dang, what is that?
Big ass cockroach, brother.
Yeah, that there is a palmetto bug.
Yeah, that thing's massive. At first, bro. I thought the other piece was, but that's not. That's why I said dang so hard.
Like, that's not a cockroach. That's like an alien.
Yeah, bro.
When I catch those, like, in my yard, like, if I'm moving something, because they'll go under pots and stuff, over and just kick the pot, and they'll just go to town. Like 2 or 3 birds will go through there like Schwarzenegger versus a predator and just take them out.
It's not an indicator manual. It's Rinko bars. It helps you decipher the momentum of the market when there's momentum.
Yeah, when there's momentum. Thank you. You didn't tell us that part. All right.
We're still hanging out by this pivot. So there's really nothing to do right now.
Well,
And believe it or not, today, when I get off the charts, I'm not going to trade when we get off the stream today.
You were naughty, weren't you?
I learned my lesson from yesterday. No, I'm done.
Guys, have a good day. And you're like, yes, now let me get back to
Now let me YOLO. I'm done.
I could actually see the marks on the wall from where you're holding it.
Can you? Like, I had to replace this panel because I broke it yesterday.
The guys out there just like, hang on, I can do it. It's like, it needs to be exact.
Yeah, no, this market is not. Hopefully we get better movement tomorrow or something.
I feel the movement was marginally better than yesterday because you had the opportunities in those bullish runs, but it's like as a whole, like right now, it's just wah.
Wait, hold up, Duane. I missed it. But what did you say that you did yesterday that you learned about?
After we got a stream, I went on complete tilt and I blew multiple growth accounts with Tradeify. So I said, when I get off the stream today, I am not even touching these charts as soon as we end the stream today.
Hey, we all have our moments where we kind of just, lose ourselves out there a little bit.
Tim, not the evil Duane. It wasn't the evil Duane. It was the revenge trade. Like, let's make the money back, which I normally don't do because I normally end up losing more than winning. And sure enough, guess what? I tried putting some money back in some accounts. I lost more by doing so, by blowing accounts. So it was not fun. And it's like a domino effect. I blew the first one. That's all right. I'll fix the next one. Oh, let's do one more. God. Then Brenda's like, you good? I'm like, uh-huh. She's like, oh, not bad. Good day in the market. I'm like, red day. She's like, oh, you blew an account? I'm like, multiple. She started instantly rubbing my shoulders. Like, woosah, woosah. What's up, Kane?
So how many trades did you take per account?
Honestly, not many. It was probably like 2 extra trades, but I was holding. I'm like, it's going to go up.
Yeah.
We're good. Yeah, it's not going to keep going. It's going to rebound. And the rebound never happened.
Dang. Yeah, see, for me, I know it's a bad day when I have like 15 arrows going 15 sets of pairs, I should say.
Oh, yeah.
On my chart, and I'm like, yeah, I think I should stop.
Yeah. Yeah, it got to that point where I'm like, I'm done. Tim, I feel you on that one. Financial. Why do you feed trading like gambling if you keep blowing up your accounts? Well, here's the cool thing. Financial. I don't keep blowing up accounts. That's the crazy part about it. I take payouts every single month from prop firms. So the month of February, I took $7,500 in payouts off of $500.
Yeah, and anybody could criticize like a single day and say, what are you doing? But the way you got to look at with your system, obviously, is the fact that, I've been here since day one, and I've seen it in action again and again. Everybody's going to lose it, and if you don't, you're lying, or you're going to just cut that part out. Or maybe there's a lot of people out there that won't even mention that, and they'll just pretend like it didn't happen.
Yep,
So,
nope. I'm not that person. I can't sit here and be like, oh yeah, I only win. Nah, that ain't real trading.
Yeah,
Like you have to, in order to win, right? In order to win, right, in trading, what does that mean? If you're winning, there was a what? A loss. You gotta realize that. So the whole goal is to win more than you lose. And that's it. So for me personally, I know 18% of the time, I'm gonna lose. The other 82%, I'm gonna win. I'm okay with that. It sucks when you're dealing with the 18%. It feels amazing when you're doing the 82%. But you have to have the losses in order to win. Yeah, I'm not going to sit here and be like, hey guys, you do any strategy, you're always going to win if you're always super focused. No, that's not real. You're going to have a bad day sometimes. You're going to have 2 bad days. It happens. But you can't dwell on the bad days. You got to focus on your percentage. Like if you're consistently winning, that's what you focus on. So when you have a losing day, losing 2 days, losing 3 days, losing week, whatever it is, you focus and you ground yourself in knowing that you win more than you lose. And that's it. You got to pay the toll across the bridge. You can't always win money. You got to give the market some money and keep it liquid. Just saying. So that's why I don't even get mad if I blow up certain accounts anymore, because I'm like, listen, I took out $7,500 in payouts in the month of February off of $500. Would that be considered a win to most people? I think so. To me, that's a win. So now for the month of March, I'm setting up more accounts for March so that way I could duplicate and double how much I made in February. And that's it. So February, I'm shooting for 15K. Not February. March, I'm shooting for 15K. Like,
and you always have evals on the backup, so if you lose those other accounts, you're just plugged other ones in.
Exactly. But my issue is right now. Is I don't want to activate the growth accounts that I have. That I could activate to funded. I'm not trying to activate growth accounts anymore. So I gotta do the select accounts to get them activated. Because nothing's wrong with the growth account, but I just like the select accounts a little bit more. If you bought the market makers, go to the Mighty Networks, log back into where you were last night. I know we were talking last night. And then you literally click the live trading. That will get you on the call with the market makers. What's up, Theo? Theodore. Yeah, I only got a couple more minutes left on this because I'm no longer trading. Because if I trade now at this point, I'm over trading. And it's not going to be pretty. Going through that 21 EMA right there. Complete chop fest today. For me, at least. Hopefully, you guys made money. For me, it's been a chop fest.
I don't know if this is going to be what it's doing, but from what I was kind of waiting for and what I said earlier, that's going to do a chop on the way down to retrace all of what we climbed. If not, it's just going to range. But from where it started to where it is now, it's hit my TP if I was in a trade that long.
Okay. Rob, good job, bro. Enjoy your workout. Workout for the both of us.
I did mine yesterday and my son came over.
I haven't worked out since last Friday.
Damn.
But we haven't been feeling well, so that's okay.
I'm just playing.
That and I I strained my intercostal muscle in my chest as well. That's why I haven't been working out either.
take it light, let it rest, let it heal.
Got to. Got to. I need to go back to Mexico, feeling better, because they made way too much money off me off this last trip. I wasn't even eating nothing because I was feeling sick, you know, so I wasn't eating nothing. So I gotta go back to make my money back.
You want to like eat your money back?
Well, my whole goal whenever I go to our resort is to make a profit.
Valid.
They're going to lose money with me showing up. That's always my goal.
Like, here comes this guy again.
Oh gosh.
Theodore, those are Renko bars. If you're looking at that top chart, that's not an indicator. Those are Renko bars. Those are Renko bars similar to the standard candlesticks. They just show you what's going on in the markets. NJ, what's up, bro? The day's going okay. Market's chopping. Brett, what are you laughing at, bro? What are you laughing at now, Brett? I want to laugh too, fam. My Canadian brother's laughing, and I want to know why he's laughing.
Yo, Brett, hop on a Zoom call.
I need you to teach me how to read it. Well, it's very simple. We want clean momentum, so we want we want looking for a bull flag. We want green candles with very few red candles.
I mean, look at that move, guys.
That is, we got the bull flag on the 5 minute there, but I'm not touching anything. I'm done.
Wait, are you sure?
I'm 100% positive because we're right back to this pivot point where we were chopping around.
And we're gonna lose that. We're gonna lose the wick, and we're going uptown.
Hey, from your lips to God's ears.
He moved his one arm. His mouse arm is hiding under the desk.
It is. I do not have a mouse under my desk, folks. I'm not trading discreetly. Just so you guys know.
He's got the pull-out drawer with a mouse pad. He's just like.
Yeah, the screen that you're seeing is just a loop. So.
Yeah. Wait, this is from the last hour. What's going on here?
From the last hour, that'd be crazy. Well, boys, I think I'm actually going to jump off. Evil Duane. No evil Duane. No evil Duane. The markets are evil today, not me. Not me, sir. I come in peace. All right. Tonight we got the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to be going live. We're talking trading, talking life, and how I got chopped up today in the markets. And I'll probably see how I could use like a sim account on TradingView and like play some trades during the overnight session. I may look into doing that tonight. We'll see. But hopefully you guys stay safe in the markets. Don't get chopped up today like I did. Legacy Wealth Society, market makers, appreciate all you guys. Love y'all.
All right. We love you too.
Yeah, we love you too, Duane.
I'll catch y'all either tonight on the hangout or I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Be blessed, everyone. Stay safe in the market.
You too, bro. See you guys. Take care.
Hey, tell your road for me.
Don't overtrade.
All right, market
Don't
makers.
do nothing stupid the rest of the day.